So we are here at 1883 Westchester in Benwood Links in this gorgeous, almost finished house. Here with the designer, Bethany. So what was the inspiration behind this kitchen in this home?
I decided to choose white for the brightness and then the black for a nice contrast.
And the leathered countertops?
For a nice texture. So we chose 2 lights instead of 3 like it had in the plans because I think it helped balance out the hood whenever you are entering.
So the master bathroom is very unique. The bathtub is in the middle of the bathroom.
We wanted to create an experience for a spa-like atmosphere. And there's also a full separate vanity dressing area. And for our added bonus, we have a Bluetooth speaker in the exhaust fan.
So your little secret hidden gem in this house too.
There's a secret surprise in every house.
Let's walk out to the porch and tell me about some special things out here. So tell me about these shutters on this house.
They're on a higher end. They're made of Spanish cedar, and one of my favorite things about this house.
So I hope you enjoyed this sneak peek little tour with our designer here and the custom features that she's put in this home. If you're interested about this home or anything else that we have available on the market today, please call us at Stricklin and Porter.